Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we'll be cooking Moroccan vegetables and halloumi. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees. Mix together the tomato puree, oil, cayenne pepper, cumin, and juice of half the limes. Save the squeezed limes. Spread the peppers, courgette, aubergine, onions, and garlic cloves in a baking tray. Drizzle the delicious tomato mixture over the top and give everything a good toss to get it thoroughly coated. Add the squeezed lime halves in and roast everything for 20 to 25 minutes so the veg is tender and golden. Now sprinkle the halloumi and olives over the top and return everything to the oven for a final 10 minutes. The halloumi should be golden and start to melt. Squeeze the remaining lime over the top before serving. You won't want to go back to plain steamed or roasted veg after this Moroccan dish. It makes an excellent accompaniment for a tagine or kebab. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.